Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we want to reduce where is my order messages, then you should basically just add tracking. Usually buyers would ask you such questions if you don't have the tracking number or the tracking option enabled. So adding tracking on completion orders on Etsy protects you and reassures the buyers that you aren't a scammer or you aren't just a play or maybe just someone who take people's money. I would say that's a scammer, the definition of it at least. So how to do so, how to add tracking and complete an order on Etsy is basically through the shop manager itself. It doesn't really matter if you are using the app, the website, just do whatever works best for you. For me, I'm just gonna go ahead, open my device, being fully connected to the internet is a must. Go and look for Etsy, then tap on Etsy.com, open this new page, then go through the account section where you should log in using the correct email address and password. Then look for shop manager, it's basically this icon. Look for orders and shipping, then open the order. Click complete order, then select your shipping company, enter the tracking number, confirm the ship date, then click complete order. Now the buyer gets automatic tracking updates. As for like a bonus tips, double check tracking numbers before submitting. Then use copy and paste to avoid any errors through the basically process. Then track and improve seller metrics, and even it would boost your sales, it would boost your shop generally, since buyers would know where is their products, is it actually on their way, is it actually true that you aren't a scammer. They would know much information, so they're gonna be okay. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.